In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot Meetings Tool. To get started, make sure you've logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're comfortably inside, navigate to the trial guide. This is a vital area where you'll find all the resources you need to begin your form building process effectively and confidently. Now, you're on your homepage, and from here, look for the Sales tab and give it a click. This reveals a list of options where you should select Meeting Scheduler. Upon selection, you'll see a Get Started button. Let's click on that to move forward. At this point, you have the option to create a new scheduling page, or if you need to tweak an already existing meeting setup, simply choose the meeting you wish to modify and click on Edit. When setting up or editing a meeting, it's important to decide the type of meeting you're planning to host. Is it a demo or perhaps a consultation? This will guide the rest of your setup. Begin by entering an internal name for your meeting. This is primarily for your reference. Then add an event title, which should be clear and indicative of the meeting's purpose. Remember to include the meeting location, be it a physical address or a virtual meeting link. In the fields for describing your meeting, make sure to add a thorough description. This is where participants will gain insight into the highlights or agenda of the meeting, setting clear expectations. Next, click on Scheduling to set up the time frame for the meeting. Enter a scheduling title, something that indicates the session's context or flow. Customize the duration options according to how long you'd expect the session to last. As you proceed, select the appropriate time zone to match your availability and that of your participants. Make sure your availability window is well adjusted, ensuring you have sufficient slots open for potential attendees. If you're looking to add more specific details or constraints, explore the Additional Settings section. Tailoring these options can significantly enhance the scheduling process. Next, click on Automation. Here, it's crucial to check the box that ensures every participant receives a confirmation email after scheduling their meeting. This feature assures them that their request has been successfully noted and helps remind them of the upcoming session. Once all these settings feel just right, you'll click on Troubleshoot. This invaluable tool lets you test everything by requesting a mock meeting. Select a date and time to see how the flow works. Guests will need to provide their first and last names and supply their email addresses. After filling in their details, they'll simply click Request, and that's how you successfully set up the HubSpot Meetings tool. By following these steps, you ensure that every attendee receives a confirmation email, seamlessly integrating the meeting into their calendar. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.